Did this warning light come on for you this morning? Don't worry, if it's all 4 tires that came on, most likely it's just low on air because the temperatures went down. So this morning it got as low as 32 degrees. So in theory, every 10 degrees of temperature that you lose about a pound of air. So I'm gonna show you what to do. On this car, the tire pressures are right here in the door jamb on the sticker. And it says 32 PSI for the front, 32 PSI for the rear. Adjust the pressures on each tire. Once you've adjusted all the tire pressures, the next thing you got to do is go into your dashboard. And in this particular case, it's already up on the dash, so I just turned the car on. And you go over here where it says initialize. You click on that, click on reset, and then you drive the vehicle. And voila, it all turns green, you're good to go. If you have any other questions or anything you want to learn, just let us know.